So this is, I would say, it's a history in the Baitur Taluk that we had such an amazing session. Approximately 200 folks out here, and just to let everyone know, he's a speaker who speaks for at least a day, entire day. This is a vast subject, like he told all of you. Would you like to see him again here? Yes. Inshallah. Since we concluded with the first station of ours, we said how many stations do we have? Okay, so 4 stations. So the first station we just completed, which was the motivation and the personality development by Dr. Sarfraz sir. Now let's move to the second station of our journey. I would like to call upon stage Dean, Students Affairs, PA Educational Trust and Director of PA College of Engineering, Mangalore. He is none other than Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, a career guidance speaker. A big round of applause to him. Over to you, sir.
Assalamualaikum. First of all, I'd like to ask one question. Which language you prefer? English. English? Yes. All? Yes. Hindi? English. Yeah, English. Both? Because language clarity is very important in communication. What I am going to speak, you should understand. मैं क्या बात करना चाहता हूँ तुम्हारे समझ में आना, नहीं तो मैं 1 घंटा या 2 घंटा बात कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद मैं ऐसे जाता हूँ, तुम्हें क्या बोलते हैं? क्या की बात कर लोगे लो, इसे मालूम करो, नहीं? So, communication is very important. An example I'll give. Kanpur, you know Kanpur? Okay. Kanpur, Kerala से एक family Kanpur गए. Kerala से एक one family, they went to Kanpur. And ये दस्तरखान, मेहमान नवाजी ये सब बहुत अच्छा रहा उन्हें. So they are well known in hospitality. So दस्तरखान बिछाया गया, लोग बैठे, okay, मैंने सर बोले इसको. So they were about to have food. So the host, they were guests, Kerala people were guests. The host is to force them. खूब खाओ, खाओ, पियो, अपना घर समझो. Repeatedly they used to say, खूब खाओ, पियो, अपना घर समझो. So forcefully they used to make them eat, and the family was very happy. So after few months, they invited Kanpur people to Kerala. So Kanpur people came to Kerala, and same repeated. They were Kanpur people were having food. So Kanpur people को क्या बोले नो? अभी Kanpur people were like they were not having food. थोड़ा शर्म बता रहे थे, लिहाज बता रहे थे. तो लोगों ने अभी इनको motivate करना, we have to motivate them. So अभी this same Malayalam they don't understand. So the Kerala people tried Hindi, Urdu. So they said खूब खाता है, पीता है, अपना घर समझता है. They wanted to say that खूब खाओ, पियो, अपना घर समझो. So don't ऐसा बोले कि खूब खाता है, पीता है, अपना घर समझता है. तो कानपुर people were like दावत देके इज्जत काट रहे लोग. Okay, so let's start with the mixed language, Urdu, Hindi, Kannada. Okay, so anyone from Malayalam background here? Malayalam background वाला कोई है? Bari language. Arile, उधर ला. Malayalam और Bari language. Okay, fine. So career guidance. So first thing which you have to keep in mind whenever career guidance comes. The career guidance is not about knowing course. So we have one wrong understanding. Whenever career guidance workshop comes to the picture, we think that okay, I should know about course. No, it is not about knowing course. Course जानने का सेशन को career guidance नहीं बोलते. Okay, career क्या है? एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्स करने के बाद मैं किधर काम कर सकता हूं? ओके, मुझे कौन सा काम मैं कर सकता हूं? ये क्लैरिटी तुम्हारा अंदर आओ. That clarity should come that if I go out this particular course, where I can work. Okay. The commerce people, if I ask, or commerce people, if we generally if we question, where you are going to work? They say, okay, I'm going to work as an accountant. Those who did marketing, those who come for especially MBA in marketing, suppose. If you ask MBA marketing person that why you are choosing MBA marketing, he or she says that what is the career you are going to have. If I ask, they say sales person, sales executive. Okay, so ऐसा ही है कि हमारे अंदर ऐसा एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्स एक पढ़े तो ये पोस्ट, इसलिए बोलते हैं बीए जो आर्ट्स लेते हैं ना. सो आर्ट्स द पीपल गो ऑफ आर्ट्स, तुम कभी बोलते हैं कि तुम टीचर बनोगे. आर्ट्स लेने वाले डिग्री करके टीचर बने. ये डिग्री जो है आर्ट्स का, the same person can be a chief secretary to the government of India. कौन सा? Chief secretary to government of India. क्योंकि यूपीएससी एग्जाम जो है IAS, IPS, IRS, इसका मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन जो है एलिजिबिलिटी वो डिग्री है बस. एनी डिग्री. क्लियर? सो ये व्हाट इज करियर, व्हाट इज करियर क्वेश्चन जब पूछेंगे कि ऑर्गेनाइजर दे इन्फॉर्म मी दैट क्राउड विल बी लाइक फ्रॉम 8 onwards, 8 स्टैंडर्ड onwards. ओके, तो मैं बेसिक से ऊपर जा रहा हूं. तो जो अभी एडवांस में है तुम्हें थोड़ा बोरिंग लगेगा स्टार्टिंग में, लेकिन एडवांस में भी जाएंगे. सो करियर जब आता है, सो करियर क्या होता है कि कहाँ आप अपना कहाँ आप काम करना चाहते हैं, वेयर यू वांट टू वर्क. क्लियर? जरे लोग हैं ऐसे, अभी फॉर एग्जांपल तुम्हारा आईएएस ऑफिसर साथ, तो यू विल हैव आईएएस ऑफिसर डीसी, ओके, एसी सब रहते हैं. You just see them, see their qualification. They will be doctor sometime. Clear? What he is doing in administration? डॉक्टर पढ़ना था, डॉक्टर जाके ऑपरेशन करना, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में है. क्लियर? जरे लोग एक इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं, बट दे विल एंड अप इन बिजनेस, दे स्टार्ट बिजनेस. क्लियर? सो proper clarity now you should have. So in your SSLC level only, okay, now the trend changed. I should say that this this career counseling, IAS training, UPSC training, all this starts from 8th standard. 8th standard. The time when this UPSC trend was started in Bangalore, so first batch when we dealt with, so we saw students from like PG background and graduates. Clear? So, but this trend should start from 8th standard. 8th से भी clarity आ जाना कि कहाँ किधर जा रहे हम, where we are going. So first question you have to answer is, what is my interest? Okay, where I want to work after few years. Now if you are in 10th, now if you are in 12th, now if you are in degree also, where I am going to work, that you have to decide. Now if you are in PG also, after 2 years or after 1 year, where I am going to work? This question you have to answer. Suppose if you say that I want to work in finance area, in which finance area you want to work? If you say that I want to become a lecturer, I want to become a lecturer. So I asked them, what type of lecturer you want to become? In science stream, especially if I want to mention, there is core area, physics lecturers, chemistry lecturers, maths lecturers. Okay, there are category of lecturers. Few lecturers they earn 8,000 rupees salary. How much? 8,000. There are few lecturers they earn up to 2 lakh. Up to 2 lakh. Which type of lecturer you want to become? Clear? This you want to answer. This question you want to answer. If you say that I want to become advocate, okay, fine, you become, you are happy. Which type of advocate you want to become? You would open one small office in your village and wait for clients. In a month only 1 or 2 clients will come. Or you want to become advocate whose fee starts when he starts his car. No? There are some advocates in Supreme Court, their fee starts when they start their journey from their house to court, or when they start speaking in court. For 1 second, for 1 minute, 1,000, for 1 minute, 5,000, for 1 minute, 10,000 rupees. 10 minutes if they argue, lakhs of rupees they charge. Clear? So, those who can afford, then only they go, or else they send their assistants. Okay, for that also they charge. So first, ये decide करना, कहाँ, किधर, क्या, कौन सा जॉब, और वो जॉब किधर. So ऐसे what is career, वो हमारा career क्या उसका question ये करना, उसके बाद career selection, वो process आता, career हमें कहाँ select करना. Okay, so from when you leave this hall, you should have proper clarity. The professor had asked one question about goal. How many of you have a goal? How many of you have a goal? Raise your hand. Okay. How many of you are in commerce now? Please raise your hand properly. Commerce. Second is the commerce. Correct? Okay. How many are in degree? Commerce degree. Okay. How many are in arts now? Arts. 0. Okay. So now frankly you tell me, when you were kids, when you were in 5th standard, when you were in 6th standard, 7th standard, whenever your uncle, auntie, or siblings used to ask what you want to become, how many of you are telling that I want to become a doctor? Yes? Those are in commerce now. Who's to tell that I will become doctor? I will do heart surgery. Correct? Used to tell, right? Where are you now? You are in commerce stream. Here. What happened? What went wrong? क्या हुआ? क्रैक क्यों चुका? जो कुछ भी बोल रहे थे, डॉक्टर बनना, इंजीनियर बनना, ये बनना, वो बनना, ये क्या है? ये कौन है? ड्रीम। बोलो क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रीम है, ये गोल नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट गोल। आज भी तुम बोले कि मैं ये बन दूं, वो बन दूं, विदाउट प्रॉपर एक्शन प्लान, इट्स ड्रीम। क्या बोले? क्या थे? ये ख्वाब जिंदगी पर बहुत से मैं देखो अभी भी बोलते कि क्या होगा, काम मिलेगा कि नहीं? सर मैं आईपीएस ट्राई करूँ, आईपीएस प्रिपेयर करूँ। तू लिखे कि बाय एग्जाम में एक बार कभी? नहीं सर, नेक्स्ट ईयर देख। क्लियर? 3 साल से एक चल रहा। क्या हुआ? क्या प्लान? नहीं सर मुझे सीए बनना। क्या कभी हुआ कि सीरियस प्रिपरेशन हो रहा? नहीं सर, कर लो सर, होता। क्लियर? ये ऐसा चलता। उनको बोलते ना, सुबह होती है, शाम होती है, उम्र यूं तमाम होती है। कभी भी एक चलता, सुबह में एक चलता, शाम होती है, दूसरा एक रोज आता, सुबह होते, शाम होते, उम्र यूं ही तमाम हो जाता तक, क्या भी प्रोडक्टिव नहीं होता। ओके, सो प्रॉपर थिंग, प्रॉपर प्लान। मैं क्या बनना? क्लियर? वो जो कॉमर्स में है आज, मैं क्या बनना? अभी जो साइंस में है, साइंस ख्वाहिश में आपको नहीं रहेंगे। छोटे में बोल करेंगे मैं बिजनेसमैन बन दूं, मुझे बिजनेस करना करूं बोल करेंगे। अभी साइंस में काय को बात सच्चा है, काय की क्यों बिजनेस नहीं कर रहे? Why you are not studying business course? Because there was no plan. It was just a statement. Clear? So career मजाक नहीं। Keep this in mind. क्या? career हमारा मजाक। Don't take it lightly. Okay? जो ये हमारा नंबर होता जो इंडिया एक काम चल रहा है आज, करियर गाइडेंस, करियर काउंसलिंग, तो प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन के वास्ते कर, तो प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन रहना, हमें प्रॉपर मालूम रहना कि हमें कहाँ जा रहे। क्लियर? उसके वास्ते हमें क्या करना है? करियर प्रॉपर एडवाइस देखो, उसके ऊपर काम करो। 15 साल 16 साल एक कोर्स में स्पेंड करके फाइनली आपको सोचते हैं कि भाई मेरा इंटरेस्ट ये नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट अ एरिया वेयर आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन, आई विल ट्राई समथिंग एल्स। यू विल शिफ्ट, टाइम वेस्ट, पैसा वेस्ट, सब कुछ वेस्ट। ओके, सो फ्यू कोर्सेज हम विल डिस्कस टुडे, एजुकेशन बेस्ड करियर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रीम। सो कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रीम जब भी हम ये बात करते हैं, ओके, तो जो इन साइंस have some patience because area wise we will deal, okay, but you have to listen carefully because it is your responsibility to inform others कि जो नॉलेज लेके जा रहे, कोई आएगा तुम्हारे पास पूछने तो उनको समझाना तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी। ओके, ये इसे कोई ट्रेनर की जरूरत नहीं, ये नॉलेज तुम्हें लेना इधर से, और जिसको नीड है उनको तुम्हें करना। सो साइंस वाले भी सुनना पड़ेगा। सो अकाउंट्स एंड ऑडिटिंग करियर कर को रखा। सो अकाउंट्स ऑडिटिंग कॉमर्स जब पे आते हैं, एक थिंग, वन थिंग यू नो व्हिच कम्स टू माइंड इज अकाउंट जॉब, अकाउंटेंट। What you are going to become after commerce? So बच्चे क्या कर, पहले सोच कर होते अकाउंटिंग पढ़ रहे हैं, हमें अकाउंटेंट होते, कहाँ अकाउंटेंट होते, वे which type of accountant? Clear? जो अकाउंट जो कॉमर्स फील्ड है जो एंटर हो रहे थे एंट्री पॉइंट जो है अकाउंट्स का ये एरिया इतना वास्ट है सो डिफरेंट फील्ड आते हैं इसके देयर आर डिफरेंट फील्ड्स क्लियर अकाउंट अलग ऑडिटिंग अलग फिनांस का अलग फिनांस में n number of fields will come clear so this is about accounts only so those who want their career in accounts में जिसको करियर होना जिसको है कि मैं अकाउंट्स करना कंपनी के अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करना यू नो पीयूसी के बाद मैं एक मेंशन करूं कि जॉब होता अब इमीडिएट आफ्टर पीयूसी there will be accounting job now this will be covered by government job people after job so this is come under village accountant post रहते हैं district authority के अंदर so that is for PUC people okay even certain accounting departments government accounts also they accept PUC people as a junior accountants okay then if you are serious about accounting career or auditing career I suggest you to take BCom not BBA clear अरे बढ़िया BA BCom सीट मिला है घुस जाना को और सीट यहाँ मेरे घर के पास BBA कॉलेज है मैं चले जाता पर को उसने कहा डायरेक्ट करियर कहाँ होना which type of career you want to be in managerial things soft side of commerce or analytical side of commerce decide करना accounting रहता calculations based ये सब रहता तो BCom after BCom you can go to job or PUC based CA, ICWA, CMA, CFA, ACCA I'll come to that or Bachelor Studies MCom job related to commerce clear a accountant होने accounts related career okay now what type of careers you will have public accounting management accounting governmental accounting internal auditing okay ये पब्लिक अकाउंटिंग मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग पब्लिक अकाउंटिंग में जो पब्लिक के वास्ते करते हैं को नहीं इन कंपनी इटसेल्फ how many are from commerce please raise your hand have you prepared profit and loss accounts profit and loss account you prepared right yes balance sheet you prepared these reports are for public you have to show it to public okay and if the company is listed it is mandatory that your annual report should be published in public domain okay वो prepare करने का एरिया management accounting is another area expertise management accounting is the accounting related to inside aspects of management or company where management accountant will help people to take decision in the sense help managers to take decision about company related aspects clear for example this what is this called as podium का cost 10 podium हमें क्या करना सेल नहीं फर्स्ट क्या करना पड़ता बाय करना बस रॉ मटेरियल लेना प्रोड्यूस करे बाद सेल करना सो कितना कॉस्ट पड़ता है इसे व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस ओके सो ऑल दिस एनालिसिस मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग पीपल दे डू सो गवर्नमेंटल अकाउंटिंग रिलेटेड टू गवर्नमेंट थिंग्स इंटरनल ऑडिटिंग रिलेटेड थिंग्स दैट इज व्हाई financial accounting and management accounting is different area so now you have to decide clear which is my interest in PUC commerce you will be dealing with financial accounting When you come to BCom, cost and management accounting one subject is there, right? Okay, that is related to management accounting. Again, if you want expertise here, you have chartered accountant thing. Specifically for management accounting, you have ICWE, or now it is called as CMA, Cost and Management Account. Clear? So same grade, CMA. Again in CMA, Indian CMA from US. Only 2 papers, US CMA. Indian CMA, 3 years you have to spend. US CMA, 6 months you can do. It's not easy that I go and write 6 months. There are a lot of things to study there also. Clear? But what is the use? Say, target I mentioned here. Deloitte, okay, Pricewaterhouse, understand E and Y we say, always like EY or KPMG, this type of firms. Okay? Clear? My dear students, target should be this. If you are in commerce, okay, keep these companies in mind and work, or government job. I will be happy if you target the assistant director of the deputy director of cost and our auditing department of Karnataka, or if you target IRS in central government related things, or if you target any Maharatna, Navaratna, Miniratna companies, MRPL, their finance manager job, and these things if you target, I will be very happy. If not, this is the box. Clear? Don't target companies of your village or factory. Don't target your factory. That is of secondary will see. Clear? वो सब secondary इसमें रखेंगे, but target रखेंगे इसके ऊपर. Very clear? Thanks. What is required?
Dear students, let's take a quick quiz break for about 10 minutes. Are you guys ready? Yes. Yep. So let's group the entire audience into 4 different groups. Let's say first 6 rows will be one group. First 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the left, can you raise your hand please? First person on the 6th row. The sister, last sister, yeah. So you people are belong to one group, and your group name is Group A. What's the group name? A. And on the right side, Brother Rohan. Can you raise your hand? Yep. Until there, from the start until there is going to be Group B. What's your group name? Group B. And Group C will be on left last. The boys or the brothers, yep, you'll be Group C. And the Group D will be this one, behind Rohan. Okay? You people are in the one group. So you see the prize here? Gift. So once you answer the right questions, entire group will be given. For example, Group A wins, they'll be given with this gift. Okay? So we will have 4 set of questions. Let's start with the first set of question for the Group A. Are you guys ready? Yes. Any questions? Okay. So for Group A, the first question is, what is the number of Republic Day we celebrated on 26th January 2022? Meaning to say, how many years have we been celebrating Republic Day? How many years? We need one answer. You guys can discuss among yourself. Raise your hand. One of our volunteers will give you the mic and you have to speak up. Can you please get the mic, please? One answer after discussion. If you fail to answer right, you will lose the marks. Okay, switch on the mic, please. Discuss among yourselves before you share the answer. 73. Good, that's the right answer. A big round of applause for this sister. Here you go with the 10 points. Now the question to Group B. Who is Group B here? Group B. This section, right? Okay, so listen carefully. On what date is Voters' Day is observed in India? Voters' Day. What is the day? What is the date basically? Just discuss among yourself and then raise your hand first. Our volunteers will give the mic to speak up. Discuss among yourself. Wrong answer, you'll get the 0 points. Take suggestions within the team. Please don't speak loud. Okay, so we got here.
25th January.
25th January. That's a good answer. Come on, a big round of applause for brothers. Very good, guys. So you both shared 10 points. 10, 10. Okay. Moving to the third question for Group C. Who is the Group C here? Yeah, awesome, you guys. So what is the title of an autobiography written by our former president APJ Abdul Kalam? Let me repeat the question. If you guys help them, you'll lose the prize. So only Group C. Let me repeat the question. What is the title of an autobiography written by our former president APJ Abdul Kalam?
Wings of
Sorry?
Wings of Fire.
Wings of Fire. A very right answer. Big round of applause for this people. Very, very nice. The last question for the Group D. What is the full form of NEET? N-E-E-T. Only Group D has to answer this question. Full form of NEET. Discuss among yourselves. The whole group D. And this question is for the 10 points. Can you please be a little louder?
National Eligibility Come Entrance Test.
Awesome. A big round of applause for Group D as well. Nice. You want to do second set now or after the speaker? Okay, quick one, okay? Quick one. Again, coming to the Group A. In the last Olympic Games, who won the gold medal in men's javelin throw? For the Group A. Javelin throw. One person from Group A.
Neeraj Chopra.
Yes, that's the right answer. 10 more points for you guys. Moving to Group B. Which team won the last 2020 Cricket World Cup? Please, on the mic, please. Last 2020 Cricket World Cup, who won? Yes.
Australia.
Awesome. That's the right answer. Big round of applause for him. Third question for the Group C. Who is the Group C? Yeah. What is the name of latest district of Karnataka? Which got into district lately, the last district of Karnataka? The question is for 10 marks. Discuss among yourselves. Let's give an opportunity.
Vijayanagar, I think.
You think? We have to lock with only one answer.
Vijayanagar.
Awesome, Vijayanagar. A big round of applause for Group C. Nice. Last question before we go to the speaker. What is the name of new variant of COVID-19? Team D.
Omicron.
Oh, it's nice, awesome. A big round of applause for them as well. So all the teams are equal for now. We have 2 more sets after this and after in the afternoon as well, inshallah. Looking forward to see you all. Over to you, sir, again. Thank you.
Okay, resume. Okay. So core competency, the knowledge or skills which is required to have a very good career in commerce field. One is about accounting standards knowledge, okay, and auditing and compliance knowledge, budget development and management things, business valuation, okay, and any additional courses like CPA or CFA, okay, public accounts or financial accounting things, crystal report preparation knowledge, budget and acquisition negotiation skills, profit and loss management and strategic financial planning things. Okay, these things accounting standard and the concepts and all. Okay, knowledge about IFRS. How much students? PUC. How many of you completed PUC? Very good. Did you study about standards, accounting standards? If I ask what is the golden rules of accounts? What is the concept of separate entity? Have you studied these things? Studied? Profit and loss, you know? Clear? I'll tell you one thing. Whatever you are studying, till your MBA or MCom, clear? Till your MBA or MCom, whatever format you are studying, that format or this numbers comes right there. X and Y company, 20,000, 30,000. Okay? This is one thing which is hindering your commerce. Major drawback. Clear? Play with real data. Play with real auditing reports. Play with real balance sheet. Play with real profit and loss accounts. What is the page size of your balance sheet which you prepare or which is mentioned in your book? A4 sheet, right? Actual balance sheet of big companies runs 300 pages. 300 pages. Clear? With proper explanation, proper clauses. Okay? So, change the way of study. We pivoted accounting standard concepts and all. Whether we try to implement it or use it in our real life, one concept I mentioned, like accounting, one of the terms, concept of separate entity. Okay. Always, whenever we talk about Mallya, who is Mallya? Vijay Mallya. We comment Vijay Mallya about Kingfisher things, right? Okay, Kingfisher Airlines. One thing which you have to keep in mind, Mallya and Kingfisher Airlines are separate. They are not same. Anil Ambani and Reliance Industries is not same. Mukesh Ambani and Reliance, they are not same. He is the director or he is the boss, whatever it may be. Person and business is not same. Clear? This type of thing, that is just example, but advanced there are n number of rules in accounts. There are rules and regulations. The thorough knowledge. The unfortunate thing I'm telling, I'm not blaming you people, those who are in BCom or whatever. By experience I'm telling, because I teach MBA students. Clear? In MBA level also, even in PhD level also, sometimes students lack this type of understanding. We have certain rules. For example, if stock related loss comes, okay, because it is related to people, third parties, stakeholders. If that loss comes, from where we have to adjust, there are rules in accounts. It is not that wherever money is there, you take and adjust. Clear? Simple rule, baap ka maal nahi hai. Stakeholders are there. Clear? We are answerable. And that rules, regulations, that thorough knowledge. Pakka. Kab hue tum pakka, you will be in top companies. Keep in mind. This is the difference. Clear? आज क्या हो रहा है? जो B.Com पढ़ा बच्चा या लड़का लड़की कौन कितने लोग आज पक्का तुम्हें जाके बैंक में चेक करके डिपॉजिट करके आते? IMPS रहेगा दो, किसको नॉलेज इसके बारे में?
Yeah, that's a good question. कितने लोगों को पता है बैंक में पैसे जमा करना? हाथ उठाएं प्लीज.
ओके, ATC तुम लोग पढ़े बीकॉम वाले, राइट? ATC में 1000 डिडक्शन करते तुम लोग बैठ के. तुम्हारे गांव में एक पर्सन आया आके बोला मेरा इनकम टैक्स का कैलकुलेशन करके दो. कितने लोग तुम कॉन्फिडेंट? You're confident? You'll prepare. Tax returns you will do. Income tax filing you will do. Returns calculation हो सकता है. हम क्या पढ़े? ये सब पढ़ के हैं हम लोग. Got it? So bright career अगर चाहिए कॉमर्स में तो ये नॉलेज इसमें काम चल. Clear? So इसके बाद decisions making रहते हैं, presentations, these things are so very important. जब मैं MBA कर रहा था तो बच्चे बहुत MBA ले रहे थे, MBA finance ले रहे थे. तो मैं पूछा कि चंद बच्चे थे, they were not good in studies, but they were opting finance. I asked why you are opting finance? They said in finance presentation is less. There is no PPT presentation and all. We don't want PPT presentation. Because the finance people will be like always busy in calculation things and other things. But zamana badal gaya. Softwares they will do calculations. जाके कल जाके कंपनी के पास मत बोलो कि मैं 80% मार्क के लेके आया, बीकॉम में मेरा 90% है. 90% वाले सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पीजी का जो एडमिशन है, कट ऑफ क्या है मालूम? कट ऑफ क्या है? व्हाट इज द कट ऑफ? 99.99 रेंज में आ रहे हैं. कट ऑफ है ये क्या बोले? तुम लोगों को खुद को चीट मत करो कि मैं 80% हूं, मैं 90% हूं, मैं 70% हूं, मैं डिस्टिंक्शन होल्डर हूं. जाके मत बोलो कि मुझे कैलकुलेशन करना आता है. कंपनी विल टेल टुडे दैट वी डोंट वांट अनदर कैलकुलेटर और सॉफ्टवेयर. They don't want another software. They have software from SAP, they have software from Oracle, they have software from Tally. They want people who can take decisions. Okay, जो डेटा सॉफ्टवेयर प्रेजेंट करते हैं उसके ऊपर डिसीजंस लेने का इंसान चाहिए, बंदा चाहिए. That is possible when you know things. Clear? इसलिए कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी चाहिए. इसलिए मैं स्टार्टिंग में एक बात मेंशन किया, वेरी क्लियर. The purpose of career counseling is not to know about, it is not that we should know about course. कोर्स जानना career counseling नहीं है. Clear? एक जॉब में सक्सेस या जॉब करने के लिए कौन सा कोर्स चाहिए, कौन सा स्किल चाहिए, ये क्लैरिटी रख लो. क्लियर? तो उसके बाद हम जाएंगे जॉब, अकाउंटिंग क्लर्क, अकाउंटिंग पेबल रिसीवेबल क्लर्क, अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम स्पेशलिस्ट, ओके, एग्रीकल्चर अकाउंट्स, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट रहता है, इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट्स, बुक कीपिंग, बजट एनालिस्ट, कैपिटल अकाउंटेंट, के कंप्यूटर फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोलर, ओके, कंट्रोलर, कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट, ओके, एनवायरमेंटल अकाउंटेंट, नया ट्रेंड, न्यू ट्रेंड, ओके, इसके कैलकुलेशंस भी होते हैं वैल्यूएशन में. कॉमर्स एरिया में जो है, so you this areas will be like very good areas. And payroll accountant, what is this payroll accountant? Salary accounts. अभी रिवाइंड करो, इतना पढ़े तुम अकाउंट में, कहीं पे सैलरी अकाउंट पढ़ा है तुम्हें? सैलरी अकाउंट पढ़ा है कोई भी? सैलरी अकाउंट पढ़ा है? सैलरी क्यों देना, डीए कैलकुलेशन किस क्यों आते हैं, लीव कैलकुलेशन क्यों आते हैं, अकाउंट में कहीं भी है नहीं आते, क्लियर। बट टुडे HR analytics, payroll management, the new trend where you can have very good career. So job, how job comes? For example, accounting job a job in Bangalore. If I search, it will be like IBM. They have one post. Okay, there will be different posts. Salary range will be like 25 to 30,000 per month. Okay, starting job. Okay, accountant job and the strong analytical knowledge, expertise with accounting softwares. क्या पूछ रहे? तुम्हारा डिग्री का हार्ड कॉपी नहीं पूछ रहे, क्या पूछ रहे? सॉफ्टवेयर मालूम है नहीं, क्लियर? So very clearly, my dear students, at least जो कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हैं, so software knowledge one thing, कि कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर आ रहा है वो नॉलेज, या एक्सेल में मैक्रोस होते हैं कि डिफरेंट एक्सेल में ह्यूज डेटा जो है, बल्क डेटा रहता है, ह्यूज डेटा यूज करने के लिए हम मैक्रोस यूज करते हैं, वो नॉलेज ये सब रख के बीकॉम करेंगे इंशाल्लाह, you will get very good job. This you have to keep in clear. The thing is, if you want to buy mobile, which type of mobile you will buy? Normal one, iPhone, right? Why you want iPhone? There are good features, correct? When company is hiring, what they will see? Person with features, clear? Why they want normal? क्लियर, सिंपल थिंग, तुम्हारे घर में स्वीपर होना, यू वांट वन स्वीपर, क्लियर? स्वीपर आ रही है घर में, आपको बैठ के टीवी देखती है, टीवी देखो, नाश्ता कर ले को, खाना खा ले को, जाती, पैसा देती तुम्हें, पैसा देती, काई को रीजन पूछते, काई को नाश्ता करे, खाना खाए, काम क्या करे नहीं, ये तुम्हारे घर में लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के ये सब है, मशीनरीज है, जो मुझे इक्विपमेंट्स चलाना नहीं आता, हाँ, ऐसा मैं करेंगे। Similar way in your case, tomorrow you will go to big company, they will operate in SAP, they will operate in Oracle Finance, you don't know to use it, चुप बैठ के आना पड़ता है, तुमने लेते से नहीं, चुप बैठ के आए तो सैलरी देते से, क्लियर? These things are very important. I told you to target few companies. Okay, it doesn't mean that you will get into that companies with normal MCom, normal MBA, or normal BCom. You need additional knowledge, additional skills you need. Okay, and KPMG में enter होने के लिए, if you have software knowledge, now Excel knowledge, स्पेशली सिंपल थिंग है, YouTube में भी है मैक्रोस, एक्सेल, कितने लोग एक्सेल यूज करें बीकॉम वाले? How many of you used Excel in BCom? Very good. How many of you dealt with huge data, bulk data, stock market data रहते हैं, decisions making के लिए? How many of you used? यूज नहीं करें तो यूज करो, ओके? मैक्रोस you can learn using YouTube. YouTube पे free videos to use. Okay, so next comes to finance career. We confusion आता, accounting career बोले, now finance career, what is this? Okay, accounting career अलग, finance career अलग. Okay, so ये दिमाग में रख लेना, जब कॉमर्स में एंटर होते हैं, कॉमर्स में जब एंटर होते हैं, तो this you have to keep in mind. Finance career is different. That is why MCom and MBA finance is there. नहीं तो क्लब करते थे, separate काहे को रखे? Because this area is different. Okay, so that will be like PUC, BCom or BBA. Okay, BBA also fine, BCom also fine. Then MBA finance or MCom finance in specific, or PG diploma and finance job. So what type of finance jobs comes? Mutual fund analyst, hedge fund analyst, private wealth manager, investment banker, financial planning analyst, chief financial officer, risk analyst, asset manager, equity research analyst, public accountant, insurance and claim officer, budget analyst, credit analyst, personal financial advisor, venture capital analyst, portfolio manager, business. Only few things, but highly paid and few posts I mentioned. Okay, more than 300 areas are there in finance. Clear? More than 300 specializations, specific areas where you can have your career. Okay? So, salaries. This finance career will fetch you this type of salary. Investment banker, every salary 8 lakh. Financial planning analyst 8 to 10 lakh per annum. Chief financial officer 15 to 25. Okay, risk analyst, asset manager, this type of salary grade they bring. Finance professor or scholars, venture analyst, professor, personal financial advisor, credit analyst, this type of salary grade comes. Okay, what are the area? For example, stock market, international finance, forex related things, foreign exchange related things. Okay, derivatives. In derivatives, again, expertise in option, futures, all this area comes. So, एक particular area target करना इधर stock market में वर्क करना चाहते हैं तो stock market में उसका risk related रहता है. Okay, नहीं stock market नहीं चाहिए investment related या risk related aspect कर सकते हैं. chief financial officer होके join हो सकते हैं. Again, here this salary, it depends. For example, MBA finance करके या MCom finance करके, especially MBA finance करके, you can enter with 20,000 salary, or sometimes you can enter with 1 lakh 2 lakh salary also. Okay, so here also, as in government job, for example, government job, PDO को government job का जो क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए डिग्री, IAS ऑफिसर को भी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या चाहिए सर? डिग्री. ओनली डिग्री इज इनफ. PDO हो या IAS हो. Here also in corporate also, in our this type of career, finance career में, you can earn directly this salary, 25 lakh का salary मिल सकते हैं. Okay, but तुम्हारा affiliation, institute, very important बोला. IM से 12 है, IMA, IMB, okay, IMC से 12 है. For example, ऐसा होता है कि कंपनी में फाइनेंस मैनेजर रहता है. Okay, for example, फाइनेंस असिस्टेंट रहता है. उसका क्वालिफिकेशन MBA फाइनेंस रहता है. चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर रहता है, उसका क्वालिफिकेशन MBA फाइनेंस रहता है. समटाइम फाइनेंस मैनेजर असिस्टेंट है, उसका एज 50 रहेगा, इसका एज 24 रहेगा. क्लियर? दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड कब अचीव करना है. क्लियर? 24 ईयर में ऊपर का पोस्ट जाना चाहते हैं या नीचे से ऊपर जाना चाहते हैं, दैट यू डिसाइड. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड फर्स्ट क्लैरिटी. करियर में क्लैरिटी हो, किधर काम करना चाहते हैं, where you want to work. Clear? The big company, you are dreaming about big company. If you are dreaming about big company also, it is not that you will study in local colleges and you will dream big companies. नहीं होता.
Sir asked a very good question. IIMs में जो पढ़ते हैं उनके salaries जो है 15 lakhs 25 lakhs. Does anyone know what is IIM? IIM institute क्या है? Can someone say the full form? कितने लोगों को पता है? Can you please raise the hand? IIMs. Mashallah, what is it? Full form, please.
Indian Institute of Management.
Mashallah, and which is the closest one here to our place? Where? Bangalore.
IMB, IMA, ABC जो है इसका मतलब टॉप में ABC, B एक बार टॉप रहता है या A, अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर और हमारा कैलिकट में भी है कोझिकोड. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसा होता है, मेरा माय ब्रदर इज ही इज अ मैनेजर इन HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. He is a territory manager. He always says, like their manager from IMs, they come training. They come for training under him. Okay, they say they will be under training for 1 month or 2 months. Tomorrow they will be boss. So each will be like 23. Salary, starting salary will be 3 lakh, 4 lakh. 4 lakh range salary. Yeah. Same thing happens in government setup also. Same finance career you have in government setup. IRS officer it may be controller of deputy controller in accounting and auditing department of government of Karnataka, where you have to write exam after your PG, after your MCom or MBA, or CA people also wrote. There are many CA people. Afternoon they will cover this about that post also. Okay, so for us also, for finance people also, there are government jobs, group A jobs. I am talking about group A jobs. Group A jobs होते हैं, group B jobs होते हैं government में. For example, Food Corporation of India. Okay, there also they have finance manager job. Okay, group A job के अंदर category. So ऐसे जो companies रहते हैं, MRPL, जो बैंगलोर में MRPL, they also call for job, this type of group A job. Okay, and another setup, okay, IM नहीं तो NIT के. Okay, NIT के हम अगर गए बैंगलोर के अंदर, NIT के में बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे अदर स्टेट वाले. तो उडुपी और दक्षिण कन्नड़ा बहुत नजदीक है. हम लोग वहाँ का प्लान नहीं करते. केरला के बच्चे प्लान करके आते हैं. I used to visit different universities. ऐसा यूनिवर्सिटी पॉन्डिचेरी यूनिवर्सिटी पर गया, रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स का एक प्रोग्राम था. आउट ऑफ 32 रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स इन पॉन्डिचेरी यूनिवर्सिटी, 29 were from Kerala. ओके, और ये पॉन्डिचेरी यूनिवर्सिटी का नहीं, हर जगह बैंगलोर यूनिवर्सिटी में वो सर्च कर करके जाते. हमारे पास नजदीक रहता है, हम लोग नहीं जाते. ओके, जो गवर्नमेंट स्कॉलरशिप दे रहे हैं, जो NIT के पढ़ते हैं, IIT, IM और NIT, those are studying, government gives 2 lakh rupees. क्या है? फीस स्कॉलरशिप कुछ नहीं, सपोर्टिंग फंड जो पढ़ना चाहते हैं. मेरिट का मीन्स पे स्कॉलरशिप आता, सब स्कॉलरशिप आता. क्या करना? कैट एग्जाम लिखना. अभी कैट क्या आप उनको अपना कोई बोलते ही नहीं. क्या हुआ? अपना कब मतलब पड़ता है कैट बोल को? दिल्ली नहीं एग्जाम. कैट का ट्रेंड इस नहीं, केमैट में रिस्ट्रिक्ट करता जाना. केमैट बोले तो कर्नाटका में एक एग्जाम होता, 2-3 कॉलेजेस मिलती. उडुपी में कॉलेज होता, बैंगलोर में कॉलेज होता. हमें वो उसमें हमें बन गए. ओके, लाइफ हमें सोचा है कि हम MBA कर रहे हैं, हमारा लाइफ सेट हो. ओके, ट्राई करो. इफ यू डोंट गेट फाइन, यू हैव अल्टरनेटिव, बट ट्राई, ड्रीम बिग. क्लियर? बिकॉज वी नीड पीपल, रिप्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए कॉर्पोरेट में, इधर में, हर जगह अलग अलग. वी वांट टू सी यू इन द बिग पोस्ट. I don't want you to become vice president.
So how many of you know CAT exam? Heard about it? What is it? Who is it? Go ahead. Yeah? It's a common admission test, right? Yeah, so we'll explain.
Okay.
More details.
So टारगेट बिग, ड्रीम बिग, वो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। हमें उसके मुताबिक ये करना, तब ऐसा तब सैलरी पोस्ट ये सब आता है। ओके क्लियर? एंड वी डोंट वांट टू सी यू इन चीफ फाइनेंस ऑफिसर पोस्ट आफ्टर 50 years. We will be happy if we see you in 30 or 28 age. एंक में ऊपर जाओ, क्लियर? ऊपर नहीं, पोस्ट पे, टेंशन मत करो। सो पोस्ट वाइज ऊपर जाओ, सो विल बी वेरी हैप्पी। सो CA, one of the thing which will take you to the highest career in this finance area. Okay, so to become CA after 12th, you can get into CA foundation course, उसके बाद integrated course और information technology and soft skill करना पड़ेगा। CA intermediate exam clear करके उसका step by step explain किया इधर। Okay, enroll करके CA foundation course and complete 4 month studying period of to appear in CA foundation examination। ये PUC के बाद CA का प्रोसेस है, क्योंकि इन डिटेल आई विल कम बैक। तो डायरेक्ट एंट्री आफ्टर डिग्री, इफ यू आर अ ग्रेजुएट, ओके, यू कैन स्किप फाउंडेशन कोर्स provided that if you are from commerce background you should have 55% of mark, and if you are not commerce student then 60% mark you need. So you can write intermediate course, okay, then integrated course on information technology and soft skill you have to write. Okay, then you have to write for articleship, register for articleship, identify one CA. Okay, then after 9 months of your timing, then clear both group of CA intermediate examination, register for CA final course. After clearing the CA final examination, you can be a member of ICW. Okay. Then you have CMA, okay, cost and management accountant. You have CS, okay, company secretary. Company secretary along with law is the best course. Okay, along with law, if you do company secretary, or along with BCom company secretary, if you do company secretary, try to inculcate law knowledge also. Very important. Okay, you will be in top post and you will earn like anything, because company secretary with a strong law base, they are highly demanded, highly demanded. About marketing career, okay, again from commerce area. So how many are interested in marketing? Marketing, boys, one. What do you want to become in marketing? Salesman. Salesman? To become a salesman, marketing degree is not required. You should have good communication, that's it. Okay? Keep this in mind. And today, unfortunately, majority, there are many engineering graduates in Bangalore. One survey says they are working for Flipkart, okay, Amazon, and then sales executives, like delivery boys, sales executives. So what is required is there only communication. Marketing is not sales. Keep in mind. Okay, you have to dream big here. Marketing is an area where you can earn very good salary. Okay, salary plus commission plus bonus plus foreign trips. There are n number of things in marketing. Keep in mind. Clear? So what is this area where you can get in? After PUC you have to either you have to take BCom or BBA. Okay, BBA is preferable. Okay, BBA is preferable if you decided properly that you want to become you want to get into marketing career. Then you can skip BCom. Need not to study about account, cost accounting. You need knowledge. In marketing interview, one of the questions which the topmost company asks about ROI. What is ROI? What is ROI? Commerce people. Return on investment. Yes, correct. Yes. MBA or MCOM you can do in marketing specific. Okay. So what type of jobs marketing brings? What areas we have in marketing? Distribution. Okay. Distribution. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Sales is sales, as you said. Sales boy, like sales executive job. Those who have this degree, BCom or BBA, they will be in sales team. Okay. Those who have this MBA or MCom, whatever, but preferably MBA marketing, they will be managers, team leader, okay, area manager, territory manager. That concepts will come to the picture. Okay, where they will be managing sales boss, sales person, sales executives. Okay, and this comes under sales and distribution. There is a marketing team. Marketing team take care about brandings and other things. You know, if you go to a shop, for example, mobile shop, you'll see brandings inside, right? Stickers, labeled, then it will be labeled, or you know, different shop also. You go to any petty shop of your village, your local ice cream board will be there, right? Top store, so and so store. Okay, then ice cream label will be there, ideal ice cream or whatever ice cream it may be. Correct? This is called as marketing. This is marketing. Then come to the digital marketing. Trending area now. If you know about Facebook advertisement, it may be Google advertisement. If some software, you know, this type of knowledge, social media knowledge, along with how to post, you know, how to make designs or content writing, this knowledge if you have, again, this is one of the area. Then another area in marketing is advertisement. You know, one more advertisement of big company, if you prepare one good advertisement, as sir said, if you give idea of advertisement, how much you will get? One advertisement, if you prepare plan of one advertisement, how much you can earn? 1 lakh. Highest, there are payment of 20 crore. 20 crore, but your advertisement idea should be sound. Clear? Recalling capacity advertisement. Vodafone, when Vodafone was there was a Zulu advertisement. Zulu. Correct? People used to recall it. Highest recall advertisement. Okay. The maker of the advertisement is to get for one advertisement in around 20 crore. What is it? It is not that you will tell anything.